let us look at this problem. An object 0.4 meter high is placed in front of a concave mirror. At a distance of 0.8 meter. Radius of curvature is given as 0.4 meter. Find the position, nature, size of the image form. So first let us write down what are given here. Given object is 0.4 meter high. So it describes the size of the object. So let us put this as O. That is, its height is 0.04 meter. Then 0.04 meter means 4 centimeter, is it not? So you can mention in centimeter also. And then we have to describe the U. So here the object is placed in front of a concave mirror at a distance of, it means this is U. So this one is O and this is U. Radius of curvature is given as R. Now we have to find out the position, nature and size is represented as I. Right? So U is equal to 0.8 meter. Since it is an object distance, it should be given in negative sign. So we have to insert here a negative sign, minus 0.8 according to sign convention, Cartesian sign convention. So it means minus 80 centimeter. Then what about radius of curvature? The radius of curvature is, that is minus 0.8 meter, 4 meter. So 4 meter, 0.4 meter, that is radius of curvature. Since it is a concave mirror, you can have a reference diagram also, that will be always useful. This is the principal axis, this is the pole, and you know this is F and this is C. So this is focal point and this is C, but we do not know, that is what is the focal point and what is the, whether it lies between C and F, radius of curvature, or beyond center of curvature, we do not know. But anyway, that is, let us draw a rough diagram, and this is the non-reflecting surface and this is the principal axis, and here the light falls like this. Okay, so since it travels from left to right, okay, so it is given in on the left side, so it is given in minus sign, so minus 80 centimeter. So U is equal to, the object is kept somewhere, that is equal to minus 80 centimeter. And the radius of curvature means what? That is R is here, center is here, so this is radius of curvature, this distance is radius of curvature. So this lies on the left side, so it is R, that is equal to 40 centimeter, minus 40 centimeter, because it is on the left side of the mirror. So minus 40 centimeter. and the object distance, this is in the positive axis. Now this is minus 40 centimeter and this is 80 centimeter, means definitely it is beyond C, is it not? It is beyond C. So the object is here, right? And this is represented, and its size is how much? 4 centimeter. So this is 4 centimeter. It is indicated as a positive one because on the y-axis, that is positive y-axis, the object is vertical, okay, erect. Now, and we know R is equal to 2F. R is given as minus 40 centimeter. Therefore, 2F is equal to minus 40, means F is equal to minus 20 centimeter. So this we have found out. So that is, this distance is minus 20 centimeter. Got it? Right. Now what is asked? Image. We have got F, we have got U, and we can apply the mirror formula. So what is the mirror formula? The mirror formula is given by 1 by F is equal to 1 by U plus 1 by V. This is the mirror formula. So we have to replace these values. What is 1 by F? 1 by F is minus 1 by 20, that is equal to 1 by U. So U is how much? 80. So you have to put minus 1 by 80 plus and 1 by V. So we have to find out V. Therefore 1 by V is equal to, you can bring this 1 by 80 minus 1 by 80 to the LHS. So it becomes plus. So 1 by 80 minus 1 by 20, that is equal to 80 is the LCM we can take. So 1 minus 4, that is equal to minus 3 by 80. Therefore 1 by V is equal to how much? Minus 3 by 80. Okay, right. Now we need to find out the nature also. So for which we have to find out the image size. So for which we had to apply the magnification formula. So we have got already V here. So what is V? V is, you can reciprocate. So minus 80 by 3. This is V. And we have to find out the magnification. So what is the magnification formula? M is equal to, that is minus U by V. That is the magnification. Okay. So this is the magnification formula where you can apply. So M is equal to minus, what is U here? That is, U is how much, where we have found out U? Yeah, U is here, that is minus 80, is it not? That is U. And what about V? V is equal to minus how much? That is 80 by 3. Okay, so this is V, is it not? So what is the magnification formula? The magnification formula is V by U, is it not? So let me correct this. It's not U by V, it is V by U. So V by U. So V is 80 here minus 80 by 3 divided by how much? V. that is u is minus 80, so minus 80. Okay, now the m is, can cancel it, minus of minus plus and again minus, so 80 can be cancelled. Now 1 by 3, so 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3. So minus 1 by 3, the negative sign indicates what? The negative sign indicates it is real. Okay, so it is real, and it is inverted. It is real and inverted. So real, inverted. Okay, and then that is we need to find out the size. The size is minus size of the image can be calculated from the magnification formula once again. So we know another formula, m is equal to, that is O by I by O, is it not? So I by O. So this is, now we want to find out the size, size of the image. So I is equal to O into m. Okay, so what is O? O is 4 centimeter, and the magnification is minus 1 by 3. Therefore, it is minus 4 by 3 centimeter. Okay, so minus 4 by 3 centimeter means, that is, its size is 1.33 centimeter. So minus 1.33 centimeter. So the position is inverted and nature is real, and the size is minus 1.33. So likewise we can introduce all these things, and it lies in front of the mirror at a distance. So the distance is V here. So at a distance of, that is 80 by 3 means how much? Around 26 and 2 by 3 we can put. Okay, right.